Hunter seems to think that the little sifter is his toy.
Good morning. What's up, Sam?
Different day.
Different day. Back to school.
I'm scared because Hunter never been home alone.
Yeah, he'll be alright. You excited?
A little bit.
First day back after vacation?
Because I'm a little bit scared because Hunter never been home alone, and I never left him home alone, so I'm a little bit scared because I think he might do something wrong. I'm a little bit scared by going to school because he might do something.
I think he'll be okay. Alright. We'll see you after school?
Yeah.
Okay, see you later.
Good morning.
You ready to go?
Let's go. Look at whoa!
Did you have a good day? Yes, you did. Did you have a good day? Your first day? Yes. Did you good? Yes. Hunter had his first day by himself? Yes, and you did so good, didn't you? No accidents. No accidents in your crate. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, she's such a good boy. We're going to wait for Sam to get off the bus. Yes, we're going to wait for Sam to get off the bus. You brought him down to the bus this morning?
No.
No? Aw, look at, he's so excited to see you.
Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy.
Aw, look at him. He's just so happy.
Hi.
Aw. Look at him, Sam.
Hi.
Aw. Look at him. He's so excited to see you.
He's so excited.
Yay. Okay, you want to walk him up the driveway? Be careful, though.
No.
Be careful of his neck. Don't bite on your leash. Come on.
was
Come on.
biting him.
You silly boy. You
Can
silly
I carry
boy.
him and you hold
Yeah.
this? Because I like to.
Just carry him.
Okay.
So did you have a good day?
When do I go to the dentist?
On Friday. Okay, you can put him
How
down.
many more days?
Put him down.
How many
It's
more
alright.
days?
He'll go up the driveway with
How
us.
many more days until Friday?
4.
4.
Come on, Hunter. We gotta go get Sissy. You gonna come with us? Look at them. Aw. He was so happy to see Sam. Aw. What a good boy. What a good boy. Oh. Oh, he's so happy to see you. Look at him run. Oh, be careful, Sam.
I give him treats because he went to the bathroom when I took him 3 times.
Wow, good job. Hunter,
So I give
don't
him-
chew on that.
So he got 3 treats.
No.
Good boy. You got 3 treats,
Yeah.
right?
Hunter, get in your box. Hunter, are you ready to go?
Yes.
Hunter, are you ready to go get Charlie? Are you ready to go get Charlie? You got your little spot? Yeah. Okay, you ready? Let's go.
Aw, so
Sweet. Sweet little boy, Hunter. Going to get Sissy. He fell asleep on Sam.
sweet.
Aww. So cute. Ready? Are you ready to go home? Hunter has a little snack, and Charlie has a little snack, and Sam has a little snack. Are you guys all ready? Okay, let's go. The girls are playing outside.
Do you want to see?
We just got done with dinner. Yay! So nice out. Hunter seems to think that the little sifter is his toy. What do you have, Hunter?
Can you do an underdog for me?
What do you have?
Underdog.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's got the sifter. Wow, that was so fast.
I like it.
Woo! Careful. Sam. Keep your feet up.
Yeah.
Charlie, what are you doing?
I don't want where my shoes are.
You don't know where your shoes are?
I don't get my feet.
No.
He makes the shovel his toy.
Careful of your feet, Sam, when he comes back through.
I think we need to get...
Hunter, keep stealing the sand toys. Hunter, what are you doing? What are you doing? No. That's not yours. Give it to Mama. Give it to me. No.
Mommy. Can you do another underdog?
Are you ready, Charlie? Are you ready? Woo, Charlie! Good job, Charlie. That's going fast.
I want to do something.
Okay, Sam, get on your swing so I can push
I
you.
want to do something else. The tornado. I'm going to do the tornado.
Okay, get on.
Tornado.
Tornado.
After.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Woo! Oh my goodness! You're going so fast! Are you going so fast? Are you going so fast? Oh! Wow!
Can
Wow!
I do the tornado?
Sure.
Okay. You have to do this first.
Don't hurt your sister. It's not gonna hurt your sister?
No.
Wow.
So you get on the tornado ride and rock. 1, 2, 3.
Wow!
Like you can twist it.
Oh my goodness.
And you want me to show you a really good one? Mommy, I want to get.
Ready? Woo! Woo!
So I'll get on the swing so I can go on the tornado ride. No, I need to do something.
It's twisted enough, Sam.
And
Whoa! Oh my goodness.
Mommy,
Woo!
Mommy, turn me. That's the tornado.
Push you?
Can you push me again?
Yeah.
Please?
Boo! Okay, ready?
If I like the tornado swing, when somebody pushes
Woo!
the tornado swing.
Woo!
I know, I want to do something else, not under.
Here we go. Ready?
And then
Ah!
that's tornado.
Woo! Careful. Good night, guys. We'll see you tomorrow.
Say bye, Hunter. Bye.
Okay, we'll see you tomorrow, guys. Give us a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe if you like our videos.
Leave a comment down below. What's your favorite thing to do? What's your favorite thing
Careful,
to
Charlie.
Leave a comment down below what's your favorite thing to do with your pet.
What's your favorite thing to do with your pet? What's your favorite thing to do with your pet?
My hotter.
Yeah. Do you like to
Hot
play with him in the yard?
My favorite
Char?
thing is to cuddle with him.
Aw. Do you like to play with him, Charlie?
Yeah.
In the yard?
I like to cuddle with him. My favorite thing doing with Hunter is cuddling.
Oh, look at he's sleeping.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.
I'm sleeping.